This video is brought to you by the IoT team at the Developer Student Club, Kwara State University.
Today, I'll be showing you how to set up your coding environment on Jupyter Notebook. It's pretty simple, and Jupyter Notebook comes pre-installed with the Anaconda distribution. I'm using Windows 8.1, so I'll go over to my app list here. And as you can see, I have the Anaconda navigator itself, the PowerShell prompt, the Jupyter Notebook, and Spider itself. Spider is one of the many packages that comes pre-installed with Anaconda. So I will open Jupyter Notebook. So now we have these files here, contact, desktop. These are all the files on my system. But now I want to create a new notebook. So I'll just come over to new, Python 3, and it will open up a new tab with my notebook. If I had Python 2.7 installed on my system, I can also open a notebook with Python 2.7. But over here, I opened it with Python 3. So the first thing I would like to do is change the name of my notebook. So I'll change it from Untitled, which is a default name for every new notebook. I'll change it from Untitled to, let's say, Bootcamp Day 1. And I'll rename it. So you can see the name has been changed. Over here, we have, on the toolbar, we have the file, edit, view, insert, cell, kernel, widget, then help. For the purpose of this video, I'll be showing you how to use the kernel, the cell, and the file for different purposes. So let me write a few lines of code. X equals 2, Y equals 3. So I might want to do X minus Y, which will output minus 1. And instead of doing that, I can just use the same Python print statement and I'll still get the same answer. So by now you should understand that in Jupyter Notebook we have the input, which is this, and the output, which is this. So for every input statement that needs an output, you should trust Jupyter Notebook to just bring it out on the screen this same way. So now I want to change my X minus Y. Let's say I was rushing, so I made a mistake. So I want to change it from X minus Y to X divided by Y. If I run this, it will give me an answer too. But you see, the numbering system has changed. So it's trying to continue from where I stopped over here. But the cell locations are now different. So I have 1, 2, 5, and 4. So over here at the kernel, I can simply restart and clear all output. By output, this is what it's referring to. So if I restart and clear output, it will remove every variable initialization from the system's memory and also clear the output over here. You see, that has been done. So let's say I attempt to call up X, which should be 2. It will tell me it is not defined. So now what I will probably do now is I will restart and run all the cells over again. So by doing that, the numbering will change again and I'll be able to get an orderly arrangement of the cells. So each of these is a cell. This is a cell input, this is a cell output. That's what we get in Jupyter Notebook. So we have other options in the kernel. You can change your kernel. If you have more than one Python version installed, let's say you have Python 3 and Python 2.7, it will display everything here. So you can change your kernel from Python 3 to Python 2.7. You can reconnect to kernel, you can restart, you can clear output. So over here, we have the cell option. We have the run cells below, run all above. These are pretty good options that you find handy when you are going through and coding through your notebook. So you can also insert cells below. Let's say I want to insert cells below the cell 7 here. See, it was inserted below. And let's say I want to insert another cell above this. It will do that for me. And let me delete this cell. Delete cells. Delete the new cells. Delete this new cell. So now I'm done with my notebook, and I want to export this notebook for the purpose of creating a repo to house these coding sets on GitHub. I can just convert the file, then I'll preferably download it as. So now I'm done coding and the environment. So now I'm done with everything I want to do. I have saved with Ctrl S, and I want to export this file. I can just come to File, go over to Download As. I will choose the IPYNB file extension. The reason why I love choosing the IPYNB file extension is so that anywhere I want to display this same file, it will give me the output in form of a notebook, exactly like this. So if I save it on a GitHub repo and someone is trying to view it, it will view it with the cell style that Jupyter Notebook uses over here. So this is just how to open up your Jupyter Notebook and set up your coding environment. First thing you might want to do is change, then you write out your codes and you run them. To run your codes, you can use either this button right here. You can click on this, or you can use your Shift Enter. Let me show you how that works. So I have C equals 11. I can decide to use the run here, and I can also decide to use Shift Enter. So that works out well. So that's how to set up your coding environment on Jupyter Notebook. Thank you.